So if the first 15-minute candle does not break the pre-market high, so I'm going to put this in gold just so we see what the pre-market high was right here. So if the first 15-minute candle that forms is not higher, now listen, this is on mid cap and large cap stocks. So things like Amazon, SPY, Tesla, Microsoft, Netflix, right? The big ones. This is not on new like little baby stocks and CGWs and right. This usually does not apply to small cap because they just do whatever the hell they want because any amount of volume drives them to the upside. So this is mid to large cap stocks. So this first 15-minute candle, if you look at it on Tesla, was below the pre-market high. What that means is typically either throughout the day or at the end, it will typically be down for the day. What do I mean by down? I mean it will stay below, right, this level. So see it right here. So typically that means for the day, even if it comes up and touches it and all sorts of stuff, it will usually stay below that pre-market high. Okay. If it breaks to the upside in the first 15-minute candle, let's say the candle was up here, that usually means throughout the day and or by the end of the day at close, right? It will typically mean that that is a good day or a green day and it will finish to the upside. Now, obviously there are caveats and changes and market predictions and things that will happen. So you cannot fully put all our weight in it because it's just another tool that typically that's what it does. But let's look at SPY. SPY's first 15-minute candle was to the downside.